Hello students, here I Priya Sacha welcome you again in my online Pathshala for class 7th. In the previous video I told you about dense property of rational numbers and absolute value of rational numbers. Today I am discuss with you addition of rational numbers. Before starting I would suggest you all to like and subscribe this channel so whenever I upload my next video you will get the notification. Don't forget to write your name class section for daily attendance in comment box. Right? So let's start with addition of rational numbers. Addition of rational numbers are same as addition of fractions. Right? But fractions are always positive and addition rational number can be negative. So here you have to apply integers also. Clear? So just start with example, add 3 by 7 and minus 24 by 7. Here you can see denominators are same. In that case, when denominators are equal, you have to write LCM. LCM remains the same, 7 only. So you will write 7 as a denominator. And numerator remains the same, 3. And then you have to add, so plus sign minus 24. Clear? You can't write two sign together. So for that, for say different sign, you have to write negative sign. And for same sign, you have to write positive sign. Clear? So here you can see different sign are there. And for different sign you have to write negative sign. So what you will write, 3 minus 24 by 7. Now you have to do 3 plus 3 minus 24 operation. So in that case operation are same as well as for different sign you have to do operation subtraction, and for same sign you have to do operation addition, and sign assign according to the greater value. Here you can see different sign are there. 3 is positive and 24 is negative, so plus minus you have to do operation subtraction. So 24 minus 3 is 21, and here you can see 24 is greater than 3 and 24 is negative, so 21 will be negative, right, upon 7 denominator. Now convert into simplest form. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So minus 3 will be the answer. Is it clear? Now same if you have to add 6 by minus 19 and 17 by 19. Here in this 6 by minus 90 denominator is with negative sign, so we can't write denominator as negative. So first you have to convert into standard form, right? So for conversion of standard form, 6 by minus 19 you have to multiply it with minus 1 with the numerator as well as denominator. So when you will multiply numerators 6 and minus 1, 6 into minus 1 will be minus 6 upon minus 19 into minus 1 will be only 19, right? Now 6 upon minus 19 you can write as minus 6 upon 19, and then you have to add, so you have to write plus sign, and 17 by 19. Clear? Now denominator is 19, so write 19 as a denominator once, and numerator remains the same as minus 6 plus 17. Now again different signs are there, minus plus, so minus plus minus. So you have to do operation subtraction and sign assign according to the greater value. So when you will do subtraction, 17 minus 6 will be 11 by 19, and 17 is greater than 6 and 17 is positive, so 11 will be positive. So answer will be 11 by 19 only. Is it clear? When denominators are different, In that case, if you have to add minus 3 by 5 and minus 2 by 7, here you can see 5 and 7 are the denominators which are different, so you have to take LCM. LCM of 5 and 7. What will be the LCM of 5 and 7? Both are prime numbers, so you have to just multiply. 5 sevens are 35. 35 will be the LCM, right? Now you have to make its denominator as 35. Clear? So you have to write once 35 as a denominator. So with 5, which number you have to multiply to make it as 35? 7. So 5 sevens are 35 and 7 should be multiplied with minus 3 also. Right? So and addition means plus. Again 7 5s are 35 and 5 should be multiplied with minus 2. Minus 2 into 5. Clear? Now next step will be 7 3s are 21 and sign will be negative. Clear? 5 2s are 10 and sign will be plus minus minus. Clear? Now upon 35. Now next minus minus. Both integers are negative. So what will be the operation? For same sign you have to do operation addition. So minus minus plus you have to do addition. 21 plus 10 is 31. And sign a sign according to the greater value. Which one is greater? 21 is greater. So sign will be negative. Minus 31 by 35 will be the answer. Is it clear? Now next example, if you have to add minus 8 by 13, 7 by 11 and 5 by 143. So again denominators are different. So first you have to start with by taking LCM. LCM of 13, 11 and 143. What will be the LCM? If you have any confusion to find out the LCM, then you can make rough column and then find the LCM. Clear? That method you know. First, by which number you have to divide first? 11. 13 remains the same. 11 ones are 11, and when you will divide 143 by 11, 13 will come. 11 ones are 11, then 3 will left, 33, 33, 11, 11 3s are 33, right? So then by 13 you have to divide 1, 1, 1. So LCM will be 11 into 13. 11 into 13 is 143. Clear? So here LCM will be 143. Now you have to make denominator as 143. So here 13, by which number you will multiply with 13 to convert into 143? 11 into 13, so you have to multiply it with 11. So 11 you have to multiply it with 13 to convert into 143, and same 11 you have to multiply it with minus 8. So minus 8 into 11. Clear? Plus 11, by which number you have to multiply it with 11 to convert into 143? 11 into 13. So that is 13. Clear? So same 13 you have to multiply it with the numerator also. So 7 into 13, right? Plus, because you are adding, so in between you have to apply plus sign. So 143 ones are 143 and 1 should be multiplied with 5, right? Now again minus 8 into 11 is minus 88 plus 13 sevens are 91 plus 5 ones are 5 upon 143, right? Now solve these three integers. So any two first solve. I am taking minus 88 plus 91. I am solving first. So again you can see different sign, minus plus minus. So operation will be subtraction. When you will subtract 91 minus 88 will be 3, right? and 91 is greater than 88 and 91 is positive, so here you have to apply positive sign, so only 3 will come. Clear? Plus 5 by 143, right? Now 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 by 143 will be the answer. Is it clear? Now I am giving you some numericals related to addition of rational numbers only from exercise 3C. Question number 1 and 2 you have to do even parts only. If you have any confusion, then you can write in comment section, and PDF of this home task is also available in description below. Clear? Bye bye. Take care.